Welcome to Bite-Sized L&D, your quick, no-nonsense update on the latest in workplace learning. Today, we'll unravel the evolving tech interview landscape, spotlighting how AI is changing the game and what it means for candidates and employers alike. All right, let's get straight into it. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a vast ocean. The ocean represents the hiring process in the tech industry, a daunting and often dreaded endeavor for everyone involved. Whether you're a hiring manager, a recruiter, or a candidate, the journey across this ocean is fraught with challenges. One of the most notorious hurdles in this journey is the tech interview. Many have likened it to being asked complex, theoretical questions about computer science, only to then perform tasks in their daily jobs that require far less theoretical knowledge. In recent years, there have been significant efforts to streamline and improve the hiring process. Before the rise of AI, some rather dubious practices emerged. For instance, there were pay-to-interview schemes, where interviewees would keep their cameras off during remote interviews. Upon employment, these candidates sometimes appeared to be entirely different individuals than those who interviewed. And there were even attempts by North Korean operatives to secure tech positions using deepfake videos. Whether these attempts were financially motivated or something more sinister remains a topic of speculation. The introduction of AI into the hiring process has brought about a sea change. Tools like GitHub, Copilot, and Cursor have made it possible to autocomplete code with minimal effort. Candidates are now able to use AI to answer technical questions with greater accuracy and speed. This shift has sparked a tug-of-war between employers and employees, with both sides adapting to the new landscape of resume creation, mass applications, and one-way video interviews. At the heart of this discussion is the tech interview. Almost every company hiring developers employs a variation of a standard process. It typically begins with an online coding assessment, often through platforms like Hackerrank. These allow candidates, especially graduates and junior developers, to complete coding challenges at their own pace. Next comes an evaluation of computer science fundamentals, focusing on topics like Big O notation and data structures. The coding interview follows, where candidates are asked to build something tangible, such as a calculator or a messaging system. Finally, there are architecture and design interviews, primarily for senior developers, that explore how candidates design systems and scale applications. However, AI has disrupted this traditional process. The use of AI tools has rendered platforms like Hackerrank less effective. The real test has become whether candidates can effectively utilize AI tools. The simplicity of current coding challenges means that AI can often solve them with ease. Architectural interviews, for now, remain relatively safe from AI's influence. However, as AI continues to improve, even this may change. So, what are the available options? One approach is to abandon remote tech interviews altogether, making it challenging for candidates to use AI when an interviewer is physically present. Another is to implement monitoring software, similar to that used in professional certifications, to ensure candidates aren't using AI during interviews. Yet, this software is not foolproof and can be bypassed. Alternatively, the nature of interviews could evolve to embrace AI. This means shifting the focus from pure coding ability to skills in prompting and refactoring AI outputs. In this scenario, candidates would be evaluated on their ability to program AI models to achieve desired results. This approach, however, poses a significant hiring risk, as strong coding skills are still necessary to manage AI's limitations. A hybrid approach might be the most viable solution. This could involve a combination of remote and in-person interviews, where candidates are tested on both their coding ability and their proficiency in using AI tools. A possible new format could be a longer interview that combines architecture and coding tasks. Candidates might be asked to build a complete application, scale it, and add features as needed, This format would allow interviewers to assess a candidate's ability to work with AI tools, maintain consistency in their work, and handle complex tasks within a limited time frame. In conclusion, the landscape of tech interviews is set to change dramatically in the coming years. While AI can help candidates pass interviews, it cannot replace the skills required to excel in a tech role. Employers and candidates alike will need to navigate this evolving ocean with adaptability and foresight. And that's a wrap on today's podcast. We've explored how AI is reshaping tech interviews, emphasizing the importance of foundational skills and adaptability amid evolving practices, like deepfake challenges and pay-to-interview schemes. Stay tuned for more updates.